Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back, welcome back. I see you came back here to get some shmoneys. So let me get this thing set up for y'all because I had to do a restart right before the stream. But now I'm gonna get this thing up for you real quick. What is it? All right. Let's get this thing popping for you real quick, y'all. I had to do a reset real fast right before stream. Right? All right. So everybody good? I hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. All right. And since we already here, we're going to go ahead and look up. Today is Wednesday the 6th. We got news at 9 o'clock, y'all. Y'all see that? Yeah, 9 o'clock news, y'all. All right. But let's get into this real quick, y'all. Let's go ahead and jump down up into it. I wanted to, first off, this morning, start off with um, a few things. I want to start off with US 30. I'm just trying to get my little setup right here, right? All right, and then I see my camera is like off a little bit today, so let me see. Boom, boom. All right. Okay. Let me see what I got popping. See, when you do a restart, you gotta close out all these windows, reopen windows, like do the whole setup again, open back up those closed windows. All right, so let's start off with gold. Actually, we're gonna start off with what's on the screen right now. Let's start off with US 30. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about US 30 real quick. All right. So I did this markup for y'all on Monday. Found this real nice sniper entry for you. All right. And I told you guys that I wasn't trying to be greedy. You know what I mean? Because greed in this market can turn your whole life around. Or should I say your trading. It could be your life, but it could turn your trading portfolio around, right? Oh, y'all see I got my USA shit on today. Okay. Y'all see that USA shit, man? All right. Because we out there in the Olympics, you know what I mean, doing our thing. We doing our thing. You feel me? So shout out to the USA team, y'all, for real, for real. Also, Detroit playing tonight. Detroit playing. Y'all see the hat? Y'all see that? Detroit playing tonight. Y'all make sure y'all go check that out. All right, so let's get into it. Right here, I said I wasn't trying to be too greedy, right? And then, look what market did. Like literally, our stop is up here at price 34947.1 or 34946.3, right? That's where it's at. So market never got back up there. Our entry is sweet. That was a sweet ass entry. Like, yeah, market gonna always, you guys, I want you to know something. That market will always test your entry. It was going to always come back and test your entry. Stop thinking that, oh, market ain't gonna come back and test your entry. Yes, it is. It's going to. Okay. So, but check it. Remember, there's a way that I tell you that I like to trade, right? I like to put three entries down. So let me show you what that's about, what that looked like. All right, and that's right. So let's do it this way. I'm showing you guys what that looked like. So here we have 3 different entries at this area. So one entry we gonna let run down to these lows. Okay, one entry is coming down here, right? Because I had insufficient price action areas that I was, you know, these areas here were targets, target. Y'all remember that Monday. If you don't remember, go back to Monday's video and watch that, all right? So our entries up here, we're gonna let one position run, take out all these guys, right? And fill all of this insufficient price action. And another entry from there, we're gonna let that run and take the bottoms. So then we're gonna have another entry that's gonna run down to this insufficient price action. Y'all see that? Do you see how you can maximize one entry, you know, by placing 3, like from this price point, when you're ready to shoot 3 times, like a 3-round burst, right? Shoot 3 times, right? And then have one target reach one area, another target to another area, and then this target way down here, this area. Guys, I don't know how many pips, 3,810 pips maybe, or points, something like that. I'm just saying, this is the way that I trade, guys. Let me make sure y'all can still hear me. All right, cool, we good. Still a little stuffy, but it's all right. It's getting better. So, all right, so I just wanted to show you guys like this way that I look at the markets, and when I take a shot, I take 3 shots. Boom, 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 boom. And these are ideas that you could, you know, take too. So, you know, I always have my targets. I'm already here. Oh, that's late. I always have my targets, guys. Always. If you got your entry, make sure you have your target too. All right. All right. All right, let's go. So let me look at my gold. It's just amazing. Okay. So this was US 30. The play that I caught here, and look at her now. It's Wednesday. Here it is Wednesday. You know how much money you would have made? I mean, I'm in the trade. I'm making some good money. Real good money. But I'm just saying, like, imagine what you can do. It ain't about what I'm doing. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this forever, y'all. I'm trying to help y'all. You know, so I'm doing this forever. Get with me. Straight up. All right. Now, we still do have this area that I have my eye on here too, and I have my eye on some areas below too, also, as you can see. Okay. Possibility of coming down to these areas. We just have to wait. I find my entry, right, which was up here. You see it, a little sharpshooter symbol right there. And look where market is, hitting my points of interest nicely. Okay, now let's move on. Let's go to gold. Where's our gold trade from Monday? Gold trade from Monday looking nice. Looking sweet. Looking sweet. Still, we're running. It has not hit our stop loss in profit. We're still running on gold. Gold has tagged this area. Remember I said this big dollar sign is big. Y'all, they gonna do what I tell you they gonna do. Why? Because of the way I mark my charts. And marking my charts this way has changed my trading drastically. Not looking at it as like, oh, where's support resistance levels and trend lines and all that shit. Like, no, that stuff didn't work. Look at this indicator, RSI. Look at this. Look at that, MACD. You know, nah. That stuff don't work, guys. It works for the short term, maybe. You gotta probably over leverage. I don't know. But I just know that it didn't work. I wasn't winning with that shit. I changed my whole mindset, my whole theory behind trading. And ever since then, no lie, my trading has gone through the roof. Okay. So, let's see what we got. DXY marked up from yesterday, still doing its thing. I don't even play DXY, guys. Listen, I only mark DXY so that I can get a general idea of which direction it's going to go into, right? So that way I can gauge what's happening on the gold chart. I can gauge what's happening on the US 30 chart, right? So understand that when I put these here, P&Ls, I don't put this here for me to play. I put this here for my eyes to see, so that way I can determine on the direction of gold versus what the DXY is doing at that moment. And also I can, you know, I put the POIs that I have, right? These eyes, these insufficient price action areas, or, you know, points of interest areas. I put those there because if those are above and gold has POIs below, and DXY is trending in that direction above, heading for its POIs that I have marked, then gold is going to hit its POIs below. That's just, I'm just saying, y'all. That's correlations. Learn your correlations, guys. All right. Okay. So let's continue. This was a quick buy. I don't know how many pips they got off of it. 70, 67, something like that. It's not bad. If you were looking for 20, 30, 40 pips, or all you needed was 50, you would have got it off of this. Once it tapped into this this zone, my pink zone, once it got into this zone, this candle here is what I'm talking about. And make it bigger so you can see it. Once market got into with this candle, dipped into this area, you see the wick. Once it got into my pink zone area, it was going to reverse and go back to the high side to this gap here. There's a gap here, like right here. Let me show you. See that? All right, so they came up into that, and then it bounced and it came back down. And then if you wanted to narrow it down to the 5-minute and looked and see what the heck was going on in that 1 hour candle. All right, so when they got down in this area here, they pushed up, shot above these highs, right? We have highs here. We have double tops here, guys. See that? Right, and then we had these double bottoms and lows there. What did they do? What did they do? What do we talk about every time? They take one side first, and then they take the other side in reverse. So here we go. Boom. They took this side with these candles here, right there. You see that? Then what did it do? Reverse. This is the evidence, right? So this is them buying now, right, to take these areas. So once they got there, right, because before this was money, guys, right? Because we looked at both of these as money, tops and bottoms. But the fact of the matter is one side gets taken first, and then they switch and go to the other side. So this has now become, oh shoot, what did I do? Okay. All right, so this now has become an X, right? This is now an X, right? Because they came up in what? Oops. I don't know why I can't grab it. Oh, because I'm in this mode. Okay, so then here, right? This candle did it, right? So do y'all see that? That candle. All right. And what are they going to do? Well, they're going to reverse. That's all you need to know. All that other stuff that you guys are talking about, just look, liquidity grabs, guys. That's it. This is a money game. I don't know how many of y'all play chess. But this is my chessboard. My granddaddy taught me how to play chess when I was in elementary school. He would be sitting down at the table playing chess by himself. And I asked him what game he was playing. He was like, this is chess. You want to learn how to play? I said, sure, Granddad. Right? And he sat me down. He was like, first you need to know what each pawn can do. What each piece on the board can do and where it can move on the board. What is it capable of doing? Right? He taught me the basics. And I'm so grateful that he did, because I apply everything that he taught me to life, period. It's fractaled down. It's life is a chessboard. Trading is a chessboard. Come on, y'all. Get with me. Learn what the other opponent is trying to do. Be 10 steps ahead of them. This is how and why I can get entries the way I can get them, is because I'm being 10 steps ahead of my opponent. Okay? I'm still waiting on this this trade. We're in this trade. Guys, we're in this trade and up here. Okay, 1941. Even my group, the trading SIC group is still running too. They're still in profit, guys. Market hasn't kicked us out of profit. We had our as you can see, our alert is up here at 1935.90, and market still hasn't came back and hit that price point. So we're just going to eat up. I hope you guys are eating up and getting some shmoneys. All right, so understand what your opponent is doing. And right here, it was clear what was going on. Let me close this. Right here, I want to show you guys what was going on right here. They created these. This was them creating liquidity. They got real close to this pink area, and I knew they was going to start consolidating when they got there. Once they got there, They dip down into it. Once they dip down into my little pink area right here, after creating tops and bottoms, they took one side, which I figured they would take the bottom. They took the bottom. Guys, some people would have bought right there. Oops. God dang it. Hold on. Some people would have bought here. That's not bad. It's not a bad buy. You can put a 15 pip stop there. Boom. If you were looking for 50 pips, well, you got it. You got it. If you was looking for 50 pips there, you got it with a 15 pip stop, guys. That's okay. I wouldn't have went too long, try to go too long on this trade, like thinking that she was going to come all the way back up to my price point. This is why I had my, but just in case she was going up, I had my stop loss right here in profit. So if you was looking to get 50 pips, you would have got it, guys. 50 pips would have been yours. Okay? All right. But that wasn't the case. That wasn't what they were doing. All right. They were creating liquidity above this area of liquidity so they could dip down into it, reverse, grab all of the liquidity that's up in this area. As you can see, they did it. There's evidence because we see that they did it. Okay? So what I'm saying is right here is fact. Okay? So after that, they're going to continue to move to the downside into this liquidity area, grabbing more and more and more of this gap here. Okay? Filling up this gap as much as they can, and most likely they're going to fill it and get all the way down here too. Okay? That's just what I'm saying. That's just what I see. But you guys have to, whoever watches these videos or jumps on my streams, have to get a better understanding of market fluctuation and the way this price action is working. All right. See what's happening, see it happening, and know what's going on, so that way you can, you can make your judgments and jump in the trade. All right. This to me is if you missed this trade up here, you could have found this happening here, seen what was going on, and then jumped into a sell here, and you still would have been okay. You would have caught your little pips. Like, she still pushed out 110 pips right here in this area. You would have hit the button there too. It's up to you. Man, I be having to get my tea in the morning. I don't drink coffee like that anymore, so tea it is, But tea is a lot better for you. It's a lot healthier for you. And I'm trying to be healthier. So, coffee got to go. All right. Let's see what we got. What else do we got? What else can we do? I mean, US 30 took off. Look at that. Let's just look on the 1 hour. All right. Nice. This is a very, very nice setup here, guys. Nice setup here. It ain't getting no better than that. I'm telling you, it don't. Literally, there's like, it's Wednesday or whatever. We caught this up here on Monday. Let's go to gold real quick. Caught this here on Monday. This price point. Look where we at. Like, Ain't no L's. Even marked up little DXY to see what's going on, to see if how far it will push. If it did decide to push this far, I would know that gold could possibly do some reversals. But to be honest, the way gold is looking, and and it just depends. US 30 is in an area of where it could actually reverse too. So it's just a matter of being patient and waiting to see what your eyes need to see. Just waiting on that little setup. Okay. But if gold continues to push to the downside, and I know DXY is going to come up, all right, and then hit this POI above. That's what I've been looking for too, guys. Like, this is what I want. We're not ready just yet to go down. I just did this so I could see if, well, maybe, if she does come down, where would she go? Somewhere like there, maybe before she turned around. But sometimes that's not even the case. That's not the case. She might just consolidate up in this area, come down, dip a little bit, and then continue up. That's possible, guys. That's possible. So let's keep it moving. Also, this way of trading that that I have here and that I'm doing here, can be used on any type of chart. Any chart. Like if you wanted to go and mark up like Apple or Tesla, like New York Stock Exchange charts, you can do that. I think that if you mark this way and have this, like if you trade with this type of theory, you'll be able to mark any chart in the world that has a chart, any stock in the world that has a chart, right? Like literally, like this concept of trading, this theory that I have here is fact. It does work, all right. And a lot of big traders have approved it. I know ICT trades this way. Maybe he used different types of terminology or whatever, but he trades this way and he lives by it, right? A lot of trade house members, Jordan Morgan, Zachary Hogan, Christian Vargas, all of them, Trade House LLC, they trade this way, right? Big traders trade this way, y'all. They, like, if you go into these so-called gurus on YouTube and they're showing you like, join my course, buy my course, and all this other stuff, they're not going to show you this. I'm gonna be honest, they're not. They're not showing you this because, one, they probably don't understand the theory, or they do understand the theory and they're just selling you some shit. Just trying to make money off of you. Listen, if you're a real trader, there really is no need to have a course and be like selling all this stuff. Trying, like, I don't get it. Maybe I'm missing something, right? Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I can understand selling your merch, or maybe you want to, like how I got my own company called SICK, right? Super Income Class. And it's a trading company. So, I do have my YouTube to explain things to you guys, which is free. I mean, eventually I will get paid from YouTube, but it's free, right? I'm not an affiliate of anything and I'm not pushing anything. I'm doing my own thing, right? For free. And I have a signals group for the people that don't want to sit through the training or through my YouTube videos, and they just, you know, they want a shortcut to make some money real quick. I mean, that's a different thing. I'm going to charge for that, you know, because you're wanting my ideas, right? I'm gonna charge you from these type of ideas, right? But you could come to the stream and you could get shit for free, right? I might have more ideas in the paid group versus the free group, but I am giving away shit for free, right? I'm giving away the knowledge for free. I don't need to charge you for this. I don't have time to actually mentor a lot of people and be in a course and all that stuff. Anyway, I mean, I could make time. I could, but do I want to do that? No, because I have to deal with other people's psychology. And psychology is something that you as an individual must work on yourself, on your own terms. It's not something that I need to be trying to break your psychology. You could come here and learn, you know, how I trade and a different method of trading, and you can implement it into your way of thinking and your way of trading. And, you know, you can break the barriers of your own psychology. Like, nobody can help you with your psychology but you. And I'm not finna charge buku money out the ass to, you know, to try to get you to understand the psychology part of it. Like, trading is simple. But the psychology part, they always say, is 90%. Yes, it is. It's difficult. This life world, the way things work in this world is all psychology. That's not easy. You know, so I don't want to spend my time trying to zero in and focus on somebody's psychology. Come here, watch the video, and pick up your own way of thinking, guys. You're not going to ever trade exactly like me, get the positions exactly like me. Now, you'll get close. You'll get close because if we're trading the same, we're looking at the same thing, and if you're thinking how I'm thinking, we'll get probably pretty close. We'll be in the same direction, probably not the same price, but same direction, and you get it. You get it, right? So yeah. That's about 40, 30 pips up right there. Let me see something. I want to fill this whole gap. We got these lows down here. So let's see. We have these highs. And also, guys, it's not something that you need to trade every day. People be like, oh, I need to place a position in every day. Not necessarily. Because we place this position. Let me get rid of this real quick because I'm just trying to find an idea. This position was placed on Monday. Right? We got into this trade Monday, the 4th of September. And look where we are. We don't need to trade every day. You don't need to trade every day. I mean, we're running some pretty good profits. Let me see. I'm a trader. 150 pips up. On one $10, that's $1,550 for just one 10 bucks. Right? I mean, place a 20 down, times that by 2. Like, you running 3 bands. Look, literally. Let me grab one. One $20 bill, right? You make 3 bands on Monday, from Monday. Since Monday, we made 3 bands off 20, a $20 bill. This is compound interest. If you don't understand compound interest, go look that shit up and fucking do some studying. So $3,000 running, just running, by just doing this little markup here, doing all this little markup stuff. Just stick with me, and then you'll understand what it is that I'm doing and what it is that I'm looking at, and you'll be making money like that too. Okay? And now I'm just using a $20. You know, $10, $20, $30, something light like that, right? Uses a proper risk, maybe a 15 pip pullback. Don't need it. I don't be needing this big pullback. I don't know why I got it there. I don't need it because I know what I'm looking for. Know what you're looking for. Some of y'all just want to press the fucking button. That's not the case, guys. You don't always just have to press the button. You can let this trade run. I might move my stop. Matter of fact, we'll move our stops a little lower. Like, we'll take some more money off the table. I want to take it off the table like 1932. Let's see how much money we got jumped on the table. We got $89. 89 pips on the table. Taking off the table. Let's take off 100. Okay, so 102 pips we have taken off the table. I'm going to go ahead and update the group on that. I'm going to go ahead and update them. And we're gonna take that 100 pips off the table. We're not gonna let, like, if we get 100 pips, I'm taking 100 pips off the table, guys. Reply. All right. Modify. SL to price. What I said, 1930. 2076. To secure. 100 pips. Man, I did not know. Hit me up. What time is it? Okay. Are we still good? Yeah, we still good. All right. Modify SL to price 1930 to secure 100 pips. Let's go. Let's go. That's bags, guys. That's bags right there. We reached that Hondo. You feel me? I'm pretty sure I got like a 100 pip thing. Yeah, 100 pip. Boom. All right. Let's forward this. All right. So we looking good. Man, y'all stop playing with me. For real, y'all stop playing with me. All right. Again, You do not have to trade every day. No matter what, this $10 right here and 100 pips, that's $1,000. That's $1,000 right there. Put 2 down, that's 2 bands. 2 bands secured for the week. Some of y'all bills is that much for the month. And this is what, from Monday to now, and shoot, we got more than that, but we secured 100 pips. And that's like, with $10 down, you would have made $1,000. And then another $10, $2,000. Another $10, $3,000. You're up, you know, like, I don't know what your lot sizes are going to be. I use $10. I use standards, you know. Even on US 30, I'm using standard. All right, my account can hold that. So based off of what your account can do should be what lot size you're going to put down. Is just depending on your bank, what's in your broker's account, right? Okay, so let's keep it moving and grooving. I want to see us come back up into this area, this price area, but she could just tank. We got news. What I said news is at 9, but we won't be here till 9, guys. I don't think we're gonna be here that long. I have another meeting, so I gotta be ready and prepared for that. I was supposed to cut the grass, but I just realized I got a meeting at 10:30 and I got to get myself together for that. So I just wanted to just come on the stream and just like, hey, check it. This is what we got right now. We are still in a trade. No, you do not have to trade every day. If you were just looking for positions and you're not in one, like right where we are, you know, this wouldn't be an area where I would like place a trade at, but you could and just set proper risk above these highs and you can sell it to the lows and get into this area here. There's a money sign right there, right? I would just basically look on the lower time frame here. Let's see what we got. We got some insufficient price action above. Here, okay. All right, this would have been the entry, but I mean, you could probably still try to catch her right here. I would have to do like that high. If she came above that high, guys, then and I would aim for these lows just to get that 50 pip or whatever. So 25. This is a 1 to 2. I don't like to get into positions where market has already moved to the downside, but just if you wanted to just be, get into the markets and maybe risk a little bit of money on a position, this is something that I would do. I would recommend, should I say, not necessarily I would do, but just recommend, and then just take her to the downside. Maybe you missed a signal on Monday and you want a Wednesday signal. Right here at 1924 would be if you wanted to. This is they're not making like highs and lows here. They're not trending. This is a sideways trend. So this is a risky place to be in. So if you just wanted to risk 27 pips, guys, you can do it. but I'm not finna press the button right now, because one, we're in at a high position right now, right at 1941, but our stops is at 1930. Let me see how high that is. That's 50 pips up. So if she was to come up 50 pips, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is where I would be looking to sell. Not necessarily here. You still could possibly get that sale here, guys. Not to say that you won't get it. I'm just saying that this is a risky spot to want to sell at. Let me check the 15-minute. I mean, but it could still work out. I mean, I'm gonna hold it there just to see if this position would work out. Because now I'm just, my aim would be these lows here. Like, I do see these lows right here, and I'm looking for these lows to that's money. Oops. Oh shoot. What did I just do? Oh, okay. So that's money there. And then there's bottoms down there. So then there's all this slippage here. So she could slip and fall even lower. Just, I would just be cautious of getting into the trade right here. Still a very strong possibility of coming a lot lower. I'm holding right now. And let's see. Yeah, aim for those lows. That's what I would, that's all. This is the only thing that I see, guys, right? For right now, if you're wanting to get in at 1924 and you're aiming for what 50 pips, this low down here, let's get 50 pips here on the board. All right, right there. I mean, strong possibility of this playing out and coming down here, 50 pips. This is a 1-to-1. I would have to like make it a little smaller. To make it a 1-to-3, we'll give it 15 pip stop. Okay, and boom, that's it. Now let's just watch this bad boy. You can watch it on the 1 minute if you want. Watch it on the 1 hour if you want. I'm looking at, look, all this insufficient price action area here. It looks good. Looks good. Down here below, down below, down here, target, right? And then these lows, target. I would want to target that, and then I would also want to target this here, this gap here, guys. All right. So we do have some targets below. You can see if maybe these targets will get smashed. You feel me? Like, maybe they'll smash these targets here. Right? That's money. All of this is money below here. Right? All these lows is money. This wick is money. This insufficient price action down here is money. All right. So we're in the trade right now. Like, boom. Let's see if this one plays out. 1924 would be the sell. Let's just see if this will work out. Maybe it'll work out. Maybe not. You never know. We got news at 9. That's like in an hour or whatever. But oops, did I? No. We are not selling. Delete that. But we are, like, I did just do a little quick markup. Just want to see like what market might do. You feel me? All right. All right. Anything else? Let's look left. Maybe they give it to me, maybe they won't. They will. It's great. Thank you. All right, we can make this a lot more precise out here. See that? You gotta look on that lower time frame. That lower time frame gonna give it to you, and you gotta look left, guys. You gotta look left. Okay. It's the only way you're gonna see that thing. So if you look left. All right, cool. Let's see. Yeah, we got a little better, a little bit more insufficient price action there. So we're all in this pink area, guys. Like, I've been waiting on her to get in this pink area, yo, for real. I told y'all this was money at the beginning of the week. So hope you guys are paying attention. All right. Let's look at DXY. This is how you can get a clear, kind of like an idea of what the heck going on. Oh shoot, something ain't locked. All right. It's 15 minutes. I want to see us get up in this area, because that would make me happy. US 30. Look at it. US 30 didn't fill in that gap, for real. She didn't fill in that POI right there. That's done. That's done. All right. So it's gonna go real quick. And I know some of y'all probably that was on stream took this trade. I know you did. Look at it. She already hit my POI. First POI smashed. Right? First POI is already hit. Guys. 9 pips. 10 pips. What? Let me see. Where did we go? 10 pips running. All right. Come on now. Stop playing with the goat. This is the latest entry you can get. And let's look on the 1 hour, see how that look. And make the dollar sign smaller. All right. Stretch that out. Okay. Look, y'all, we still got lots of insufficient price action going on. How does that look? 15 minutes. Insufficient price action below down here. Hey, even the smallest insufficient price action that you find, mark it. I swear to God, mark it. Because guess what? They're going to go for it. Might as well mark it. All right, let's see. We're going to get that. Let's hit it. And by the way, I took this trade, gave it to the VIP group because it looked like a pretty good setup for the most part. And I know we can probably smack out a good 50, 60 pips out of that one. So, and if she decides to continue to run, then I know we're going to get more. But I'm going to monitor very closely. It's only a 15 pip stop, right? We're running 100 pips in profit. We can sacrifice 15 pips, guys. Come on. Stop being so greedy. Give up some of that money. Play with some of that shmonies. We still got lots of things going on down here, bro. All right. We're halfway there. We're halfway in our filling of this POI, which is what we want. Look at US 30. US 30 filled it and turned it around. So there you go. DXY is doing this thing. right? Just basically pushing up. We need to go up some more. That'll help go, get that push to the downside that we need. I know I'm flipping through pretty fast, but just bear with me, stick with me, guys, because it's hard for me to kind of slow down when I'm in the zone. I'm trading in the zone. That's what I forgot. My protein shake this morning. I need to go get that out the gym. It's still in the blender. I need to blend it again. Well, I didn't put a banana in it, so I'm gonna put a banana in that thing. Okay. All right. I totally forgot. I had my tea, but I didn't have that. All right, cool. How we looking? How we looking? Almost 8 o'clock. Look, guys, if you think my theory is BS, yo, call me out on it. And I'll show you all my setups. I'm doing this shit live, for one, because I think that it actually helps me even more with my trading. And I can prove to a lot of you guys, that this is what I do. This is what I do. And that this is what a real trader looks like. I don't know what, other people are doing, but I'm just trying to, have your mind open to what a real trader looks like versus what you're seeing on social media and influencers and companies paying these people to promote their brokerage company. Um, I actually do this shit. I'm showing you live. Like, nobody's paying me to do this shit. I'm doing it live for you. Okay? So, and I feel like it's a way to keep track of my trading too. It's kind of hard for me to like take screenshots of everything all the time, but to hit the live button and just go live on the stream is a lot easier for some reason. And it tracks my trading. I can go back and watch the game and see how I played the game. You feel me? Like, this is a game to me. And I'm good at the game. I know I am. I'm very confident at my game. Like, this sport right here, man, I can test anybody. I mean, I probably might need to work on some little things, but man, I'm fine. And I can say that. This little entry here, 17 pips in profit. Who just made some quick shmoneys, right? We're still in some deep profits here, so I was like, our stop losses are in profit, 100 pips. You might as well take a 15 pip stop. Go ahead, hit the button again. Right here at this price, 19.24. I threw that in the group. That price is at 19.24 for them too this morning. I'm just saying. All right. I want these lows, right? Because people were setting trend lines here and they thinking the market gonna bounce off their trend line and shit. Market finna bust through your trend line, bro. Bruh. For real. Look, yo, there's no games, guys. This is no games, guys. Like, trading is simple if you simplify it. But because I've been looking at these markets for so fucking long, guys, man, it's just like, it's becoming like super easy to me. And I just hit the button. That's what I do. You know, I do my analysis. I don't use indicators. I don't use EAs. I don't use bots. I don't use none of that stuff, guys. I use my eyes, my pretty blue eyes. That's what I do. You know, God gave me eyes to see. Therefore, I will see. Right? And look at it. Took those lows. Boop. No mugs out. I told y'all, guys. No mugs out. Took them. Swiped them. Like, stop playing with me. TP1 smash. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. And I'm telling you guys, come here every day, 7 a.m. Central Time. I try to be on time. You know, I might be a 30 seconds late sometimes. You know what I mean? But I do try to be on time, and so that I can give you guys a quick setup. I'm gonna run your ear. You know, I'm gonna talk my talk. You know what I'm saying? But get here so I can give you guys some good setups and you can make some money. I don't know what you got going on your end. You know, a lot of times I don't like to trade every day. If I'm in a trade like I am now, this big setup here, I don't like to trade every day, you know, because Monday I caught a good position and I can hold it all week, right? I can hold this all week. If I do catch some other little positions, I can get in. I mean, yeah, I could do that, but I got 3 positions sitting up here at 1941. What do I need to be trying to get in the market, trying to counter my positions or trying to add on to my position? I could do that, but I don't need to. I don't need to do that. But you can do it. Do what the heck you want to do. It's your board. It's your game. Play how you want to play. I play the way I want to play. All right. I see what I want to see. What we running right now? What we in ran what? 30 pips? 30 pips ran. Man, I need to go get my protein shake. I needed that. For real. And also another quick tip, guys, if you journal, like journal your day. Like I have this wellness journal. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like in the light. Can you see? Boom, tilted. It's a wellness journal. All right. And I just keep track of every day, my mood, my appointments, you know, meditation activities, how long, you know, acts of self-care, acts of kindness, lessons learned today. Today I'm grateful for, daily affirmations, the weather, screen time. Did you relax? Self-care. Did you do any movements? Or how did you do hydration? What is your bedtime? You know what I'm saying? What time did you rise? And I like to keep track of that. And I applied this book to everything that I got going on for the day. And I also apply it to what I'm doing, like with trading too. So I jot down whether I made a mistake in trading or did I have a successful day in trading? Did it go accordingly to the way that I planned it? And you know, stuff like that, guys. You know what I mean? So make sure you're getting your journal in at times. You know, I know sometimes it's kind of hard to write shit down all the time, but like try like at the end of the day or when you're getting ready to lay down, or maybe like I do it when I'm getting ready to take a nap, right? I'll write down everything that that I had going on up until that time. right? Appointments, everything, right? I already have my appointments. I already know what my appointments are. But definitely just try to journal and try to, so that way you can reflect on what you did before in the past, right? So that way you know where you're going in the future, right? Same thing with trading. When I mark up my charts, I look left to see like what's happening in the past at this price point or below or above. And I can tell you, all right, well, since that happened, market is going to go there. And we need to figure out how market is going to get there. And that's what my job is, right? I get those entries. Okay. So it looks like we're going to get what we're looking for. I want to see market dip a lot lower than what she's dipping, which most likely she will. Okay. I mean, because we're running some pretty good profits right now. Where are we running? What? 37 profits, 37 pips in profit right now, guys, right? So yeah, you can, if you was only looking for 20 pips or 30 pips, you got it. I'm looking for that 50 pips right here. Like if you put a 10 here, I want to make $500 off of this trade. And I've only this is 15 minutes. So you're talking about two 15-minute candles is 30 minutes. I want to make $500 in 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like, or maybe 45 minutes. Or maybe the hour. I want to make 500 that hour. Right? By just entering off of 1924 and then taking her down to 1919. That's all I'm saying. Like, I'm not going to waste my time. I'm not going to sit here and waste my time. Right? I'm going to get paid for my time. And market, like, it's up to you to get your check out of the market. Right? Nobody's looking over my shoulder. Nobody's here with me. Right? Not right now. But I'm just saying, like, nobody's here with me telling me what the fuck to do, when to get in the trade. Nobody's doing none of that stuff, guys. You got to make your own bag. You got to make your own bag in this game. All right? So, let's go. Let's just keep it moving. This was a pretty good like a pretty good trade here, guys. Entry, it wasn't bad. We did get that push to the downside. If you wanted only 20 clicks, you got it. If you wanted 30, you got it. I'm looking for 50, like I said, and I mean that's pretty much it. We got news at 9, right? I'm gonna just sit this here and stay here and just to see like what we might do, because we slipped down into this area pretty nicely. We took these lows here. I'm just gonna sit this here real quick because we still got time, and I'm going to go grab my protein. So I'll be back. But I am going to leave this here because I want to watch what market is doing. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I got my protein drink. It's all vegan, and I love it. I really do. So let's see what we got. What has gold done since I've been gone to make this shake? Or you waited on me to come back so you could perform? I understand. Sometimes, you know, you just want to be seen. I get you. I get it. I do. I really do. I really get it. Sometimes you just want to be seen. All right. So what have we done? Let me get this count going. 36 pips so far. Okay, we pushing. We are pushing. We are getting there. That's what I like to watch. I like to watch the money pile up. Just watch it pile up. I like to see like what I'm thinking as my idea actually play out. That's what I like to see. All right. Because my idea on US 30 was just sick. Like, you ain't getting no better entry than that, guys. And look how she just POIs. I see you. I see you. I see you. Adding that banana. Mm, I don't know. Just bananas just make shakes just taste a lot better to me. You got banana in it. I think banana and peanut butter, like, bruh, bruh. My shake will be gone. I'm getting it in with that banana and peanut butter. Yeah. As long as it's natural peanut butter. You know, the peanut butter that got the oil. Like when you go in the grocery store and you look at the peanut butter, you pick it up, it got the oil sitting on top, like it's separated from the peanuts. What? That's the best peanut butter right there. That's what y'all need to be looking for. I'm sorry, I don't know how I get on the subject of peanut butter, but yo, I just things that's good in shakes, right? Um, let me see. Oh, look at that. You see, they leaving their footsteps, right? They footprints or whatever you want to look at it as. But look at that. Y'all see that big ass gap right there. Why do you think that happened? That type of slippage happened, right? Why do you think that happened? Hmm? Take a wild guess. All right. We got another POI below in that area that I just showed you. All right. Let me go back to low real quick. I mean, we've been on stream for an hour and 22 minutes now, and let me make sure y'all can hear me. Okay, good. So we've been on stream for an hour and 22 minutes, and we did find this little, position here. We're running 36 pips. I'm looking to see if we'll get our 50 pips here on stream. Don't necessarily need it. Guys, you can get out now. You can get out now. I'm running 180 pips, 189 pips on this position at this price up here in 1941. I got you guys in for today at 1924. You can, if you want, get out. Take your money and run. That's the best thing about trading is anytime you can press the X. Hold on, guys, because I'm still feeling a little stuffy. Give me a second. I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. We are running 190 pips in profit, guys. We're almost 200 pips in profit from our Monday's position. Yo, we are killing it. Did TP2 get smashed for the group? Nope, not yet. All right, we're still waiting on TP2 to get smashed. We're running 191 pips in profit. Oh, wait. Just updating the group. Yeah, let's get that. Let's move that. Let's sort that. Yo, make sure y'all check out the Telegram group, y'all. That's what I'm over here doing, updating the Telegram group. Make sure y'all go and check out that Telegram group. The link is in the description below. It's free to enter. It's free to sign up. It's Telegram. Use your phone number to sign in or whatever, and yeah, you're gonna be good. And then you'll be able to get all the signals and all the things that my updates that I post in the group, Okay, so I'm still running. All right. We got news in what? About 30 minutes. That's cool. Let's just hold it out and just wait. That's all we could do is just hold it out and wait, because here's our position here. So we entered in at move. 1924. It looks like 1924.92. And we're trying to reach 1919.89. Okay. 1919.89 to be exact. All right. Oops. Let's now go and look at DXY. DXY want to push up. Okay, good, good. That's what I want to see, because that lets me know that gold will push down. All right. We still got this eye down here, guy. I see you. What else? We got eyes down there too. Okay, cool. There's eyes everywhere. I'm sorry if I'm going so fast, guys. Like, I'm trying to make sure I ain't missing nothing, you know? I want to look at Euro real quick. I don't really check out too much of the ECN pairs, such as you know, the forex pairs, Euro USD or anything like that. I gotta look at her on a higher time frame, just see get a general idea of what the heck going on. Oh, she's falling. That's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so the thing with Euro USD, I'm gonna let you know right now that it correlates with gold. Okay, it goes in the same direction as gold. Should I tell you that? You know, we can just go ahead and put them X's right there, because obviously I was looking for these to get taken. Boom, look at that, guys. And then hit my POI. I haven't been on this chart in a long time, so, and it hit my POI. We got this here. I see this over here. We gotta go a little lower. It looks like we can go a little lower. We got some point of interest down here too. So might just need to keep my eyes on Euro. You know, she smacked the heck out of this POI. We might smack it and just drill straight through it. And because price is right here in this candle here, and already came all into this purple area and a little lower. See this wick? See that wick right there? All right. So that's good signs. So that means gold got a tank. That's just it, guys. Come on, man. Come on now. I just want you guys to see this with your own eyes. Everybody, you know, I'm not running no magic over here, guys. This ain't no magic. These are easy claps for me. You know, easy claps. This is my world right here. This is just what I do. I do this. All right. If you want, you can go ahead and put your stop and profit or at break even. So this way you could just let the trade ride. Hey, she still ain't hit my TP2. Come on, girl, hit my TP2. So I can update the group. I like updating the group. And most times when I put a signal out there, I'm hitting y'all. I mean, go look for yourself. Go look. Go check the Telegram group. The link is below. Go check it. Go see that I barely miss. I'm on here showing you every day. Last week I couldn't show every day because I you know, I was running a little cold or whatever. So I wanted to rest and drink tea and eat the right things I needed to eat to get rid of it. And now I'm just draining, like it's just coming out of me this week. And I mean, I feel a heck of a lot better than I did last week. But that's probably the only time you're going to see that I'm not trading like that. And even then, when I was sick, I wasn't really sick, but just had a little cold bug or whatever. It's that time of the year. Some people are like, how do you get sick in a cold in the summertime? Well, that's when I catch a cold because all of it's heat, it's humid, the bacteria is just sitting, and that's how I get a cold, right? It's normal. All right. Um so yeah, that's the only time you're gonna catch me really like not really like trading like that. You know what I mean? I still have my charts up. I'll probably even still look at my phone and look at the charts. But it's not, I'm not active like that, for real. I'm not gonna be active. All right, let's see what you're doing, DXY. Okay. Back to Euro. Euro got some stuff above. We got these 3 bottoms down here. They didn't take that. They need to get that. Yeah, still some liquidity below. Y'all still see this liquidity here. Yeah, that's money. They gotta grab that too. But there's like, she's slipping like crazy on her way down. That we could get some pushed, like grab these guys, come to the high side, because we have these double tops here too. Right? And then we have, insufficient price action above those. So we have 2 sets of money here, and then this up here, right? But we also have, all right, these lows here, this low, this low. You can look at that as money too. That's money there because stop loss is sitting there. Stop loss is sitting here, right? Let's give them an idea that we're going to the high side, possibly. Then break to the bottom side. Or break to the bottom side, go to the high side, just so we can turn back down and go to the downside. That's another idea right there. So let's just wait and play it out. There's a lot of things going on up here on the 15-minute on Euro USD. Like I said, I mark her, but not mark her. And I should mark her just like how I would do DXY. I told you guys at the beginning of the stream, like how I do DXY and why I mark DXY but don't play it. Excuse me. So, we definitely gonna have to just wait on it. Because gold turning back around. That's why I said break even. Boom. Hit break even real quick. And if we get hit from the break even, there's like insufficient price action that slipped right up in here. So we did get our little, I don't know, 30 pip or whatever. But you can break even or you can just hold out the 15 pip. It's all up to you on what you want to do. I mean, personally, I'm just gonna like tell them to just break even. They already took 20 pips off the table. Let's just see. I'm just gonna say So it's a win and a break even. But now you get to see the reason why I do not get in trades that I am already in up here at the top, right? This is tricky. It's already done a lot of the move, right? But, okay, so our break even was hit. Okay, but let's just say you wanted to keep that 15 pip stop right there. Where was it? I think it was that. And then that. I want to watch and see how she play out. We took some pips. All right, we're still like literally, guys. This is just one position. We're still in the 1941 position, guys. This is why I say you do not have to trade every day. You can grab what you want to grab and get in and out, however you want to play it. It's real quick. This way you ain't losing money. You ain't depleting the account while you're trying to get the equity up, right? Let me see if it does hit the stop here from this position. And it's getting ready. What we got 20 minutes before news. Strong possibility. Yeah, of her coming back down and then going up and then taking out all of these highs here, taking out these highs, this high. There's insufficient price action here. Just like there was insufficient price action on Euro. Let me go look at her. See this insufficient price action here too. So let me go back to gold. Gold got that same insufficient price action right there. So oops. I'm seeing that. There. Okay. This was just a shot. This wasn't like anything that I was really looking at. All right, I'm just gonna put this here. But that is insufficient price action there too. All right. Oops. Sorry, guys. All right, cool. To be honest, like there's a lot of stuff going on above. You know, she could come and take these guys stop losses here. There are some stop losses sitting there. There's some stop losses sitting there. So, you know, we can always look at that as like a money bag if you wanted to see it in that light. All right. Taking these tops, strong possibility. I'm still holding the 1941. And I have stops at 1930. So if she comes up to 1930, I'm out. I'll just take my, you know, my money and go. So y'all could do the same thing. But either way you look at it, hold on, let me check group. All right, cool. Yeah. That was just safety for them. Excuse me. Get some water real quick. My juice. Oh, get my juice. All right. Back like I never left. All righty. Let's see. Can y'all hear me? All right, cool. Y'all can hear me. All right. So, but for the break even people, you're out. Take your, that's why I said, take your money. When you see it, take it. This is not a place to try to go like super like long short with, like you can't go long on this, but you can't be trying to like, oh, I'm gonna get 200 pips off of this. No, not necessarily, because of this, because the move happened here. You gotta look left and see, did anything happen to the left? Yeah, a lot. It's already made its move. Now you're going to get caught up in this area right here, which is a consolidation area, and you're going to get beat up trying to find a position to go to get 100 200 pips or something. It's not going to work for you guys. All right, that's not going to work. Now you could take this one and grab, that's what I said, like 50 pips max, look, or filling up this gap. I said the fill of this gap, that should be it. I tried to stretch it to get a low 50, but the fill of the gap would seem like that's all they wanted to do at that time. And they was going to do some reaction off of that shit. Look, see? Got real close to the fill of that gap. And then shot up, boom. So break even when you're out, or if you was trying to be, hold on or whatever for the 15 pip stop, you probably got hit on the 15 pip stop, but I didn't. All right. Or the group didn't. You know what I mean? I know how to quickly make a decision and save it, from happening sometimes. Like sometimes I'll let it get hit and just be like, okay, boom, I was wrong. Now find out where she's going and how to be right. Okay. That's the game of trading. Or at least that's just my game of trading or how I like to play. You know what I'm saying? Like I keep a lot of things in mind when it comes to trading, guys. A lot of things in mind. I know just about everything except for I don't really do the what would you call it? Harmonic stuff. Like I don't still didn't hit my 15 pip stop right there. Still didn't get it. What's going on? You playing around, go. All right. So I don't know like the, back to the harmonic thing where it come with like shapes and stuff like that. Like the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Guys, I felt like that was a bunch of bullshit to try to learn. That's like having to learn trigonometry and then coming out in the real world and realizing that trigonometry is a bunch of bullshit. Like, why did I need to get good grades in that? Like, why did I even need to take that class? Right? I'm in high school taking advanced algebra and trig. I was good, really good in math. It was so good at math, I was teaching the classroom advanced algebra and trig. Like, imagine being in high school and teaching my teacher would just sit down and just let me get to the board and just teach it and be like, I don't know how that shit came to me, but I don't know, it just would come to me. And I was really good at advanced algebra and trig for some reason. And I really liked math. I did. I love math. Math is my favorite subject. Right? This stop is going to probably get hit big time. Look at this. Boom, boom. All this money. Slippage here. This money sitting above all this slippage here. So you got stop losses all up in this area. Man, they're gonna go get that. I would. Yep, I sure would. They will be out. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that one. We're still in this position here in 1941. I got my stop at 1930. So if she does decide to come a little higher, let me see something real quick. Okay, it's like above this 4-hour candle right here. Nothing too crazy. So see that my stop losses for this position here at 1941, the stop losses is right here at 1930. All right. It's above this 4-hour candle right here, but above the insufficient price action that it has. So the slippage area here, market could come up into that area. You know, just depends. Just depends. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we got. That's what we got. That's what I'm looking at right now. Let me check the daily. Oh yeah. Dude, just fall already, man. Just do that. Stop playing with them. Just fall already. All right, so I do have my stop in this daily candle. We'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll see. It's a daily insufficient price action above. So that daily insufficient price action above could get it has been pushed into already. They could push a little more into it. I don't see them coming all the way back up to this position though. 1941, basing it off the daily. I don't see that happening. Not to say they can't do it, but I see a lot of insufficient price action below that they gotta create a bull candle and then turn around and bust everybody with the bear candle. Like, that's what I see. You feel me? Same thing that happened over here on this wave. Check it. They bulled it. One bear, rest was bull. Now we got bear, do one bull, rest is bear. Come on, y'all. Come on. Y'all tell me y'all don't see that. I'm just saying. I'm just thinking. Maybe. We'll see. But anyways, don't take that as law, y'all. Please don't. Because y'all be like, well, you said. Guys, I look at markets all kinds of ways. I don't just keep one thing in mind as law at all. Never. Okay. All right. 4-hour candle looking good. Nice and spicy. All right, shit. We just gonna hold out and just see what's gonna happen here, because we got 9 minutes before news. So let's see. Nine minutes before news. But we're not gonna watch it there. We're gonna probably watch on a lower time frame because oh look. Ooh, got them. Yeah, they out. All them trend line traders out. I mean, we're taking 100 pips no matter what, guys. 100 pips off the table. I don't care about the whatever this is now here. 100 pips off the table. We're good. 100 pips secured, guys. Like, let me put that right there. All right. So we got 100 pips secured here. Oops. I don't want that. All right. Boom. That's a done. That's a done deal. Let me check US 30 real quick. Yo, she just gonna fly for me, yo. She could fly. Let's see. DXY is in a consolidation, but moving to the downside. If you look at DXY move to the downside, remember I like to mark up DXY because it's going to give me a better general idea of what gold is going to do. Okay, so this is why I know gold is going to push up, because DXY was up here doing this little consolidation, playing off these candles and then falling. And I was thinking, where can she fall? Well, here's insufficient price action here. She could come a little lower here. This little black candle right here has caught my eye, right? In there with all those whites, right? That one black candle. That's an idea that I'm looking at. See, look, can y'all see that? Okay, it was two black candles, right, on 15-minute. So yeah, gold can definitely fly up now because DXY is wanting to fall. So we're gonna get in this gap, and she's gonna take these guys too. Did she take them? Not yet. She almost did. Look. Okay. Boom. I'm gonna say that's money right there. Now let's see what she gonna do. What's she gonna do? All right. Okay. So we're gonna come up some. That's what it looks like. Either way you look at it, guys, we've already taken our 100 pips. All right, we got 5 minutes until the news starts. The news is getting ready to start. That 9 o'clock news that we was talking about. Let's go look here. Here it is, 9 o'clock, U.S. news. All right. So it's a red folder. That's what we're looking at right there. So let me see what she gonna do. She might hit our stop and we'll be out of 100 pips and be out of this trade. Let me look at this trade long term. Okay, there we go. Let me just see the long-term perspective is these lows down here at 1800. We can come back up into this daily candle right here. Let me look at the weekly. See lots of liquidity and gaps below. These triple bottoms too. I don't know. We're gonna get down to 1600. I mean, 16. They will have to make gold cheap as I don't know what to get back down to 16. Not that we haven't been to 16. We was at 1600s an ounce. Here it is. September of last year. Could we come back down there? Maybe. Strong possibility, guys. Strong possibility of us getting down there. So let's just see. Oh shoot, cancel. Daily. You got gaps below, slippage, you know, not this little one black candle sticking out to me. It's 4 hour. Sometimes I like to make it naked just so I can see what's going on without all my markings. Oh yeah, we can definitely come back up in this area. And even higher. So maybe these wicks right here look spicy. And this 1884 double bottoms down there, that look real spicy too. But we got some stuff going on above too. We got these M's right here, insufficient price action above that, right? We got slippage here. Let's see, most of the slippage here is filled. So slippage here, slippage here, slippage there. There's some slippage in some places, guys. All right. So let's see what else we got. Let's keep looking. You got this here, this there, that there. Like all of this is just screaming liquidity, guys. They filled this gap here. Got as low as that. There's a gap above here with this last candle here. And then there's a gap here. This last buy to sell candle. But we have one here too. Kind of play back into it, but that wasn't enough. Like I wouldn't count that one. More say this one, but it didn't make any gaps really. So I don't know, just still holding and watching. All right, so let's bring our drawings back in play. All right, cool. We kind of, it looked like they did it real quick with the slickness. Look, they took these highs, so this high gone. X now. That whole X now. All right. Then look, we had this insufficient price action below. Looks like they want to do that more than go to the upside. Why? Because one, momentum is to the downside. So come on, let's go. Now they want to give us our 50 pips. I mean, we could have just stayed in the trade and, you know, that one trade and then not let it hit break even, or the stops just moved it up a little bit more. But guys, we're in a trade here and we don't have to trade every day. And that position got us like 30 something pips. So, I mean, that on top of what you got running right now, what we have running right now is 206 pips. If you have a $10 down, that's 2 bands. Just $10. It's 2 bands. It's been turned into 2 bands now. Yep. Has been turned into 2 bands. Now that's $6,000 if you did 3 different entries. 3 different entries, that's 6 bands, guys. Come on. Come on. Y'all playing with me. Let's see US 30. Look at US 30. Let's see DXY. Look at DXY. Perfect. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see her get up. That's perfect. That's what I want. I want to see her crash this, take this stop loss to go up because I'm in the direction of gold. You see that? Right? I'm in the direction of gold. And I was like, could this area be an area of her wanting to turn around? Let's try it, right? But I see that it got stopped out. We did get some pips, right? If you got entry from off of that entry, we got like 25 pips, guys. We got 25 pips, but she still turned around and hit. So I with momentum going. Look at momentum, guys. Oops, this ain't long. Okay, momentum is to the upside, so she's still wanting to climb. This trade here could continue going all the way up to here. All right, so that gives me the perfect sign that gold is wanting to tank some more. And we had the news. There was news at 9 on why she fell like that, guys. You know, just be calm and just watch the play. Be calm, watch the play, and see how she's gonna play out. We're up 200 pips on gold, guys. 200 pips. Where is it? Okay. Did I drop that? Yes, I did. Even the free group, guys, the free group has this trade that we're in right now, and I'm updating them as we speak. You know, 35. Okay. And then let's do another. Alrighty. Free monies. 200 pips today on stream. Let's go. Y'all stop playing with me, man. All my POIs have got smashed today, right? That is what I'm talking about. So that is a really, look at the setup, guys, right? We've been tracking her since she was up here. We didn't have none of this going on, but I knew that she was coming down in this direction due to the markup. That's it. It's that simple, guys. That simple. Okay, let's do this. Let's get it real quick. Where did we hit? 217 pips on stream, guys. Stop playing with me, yo. You know I gotta get this from my YouTube. So y'all on my YouTube, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel. All right. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel. Come get the free shmonies. Y'all playing. I don't know what y'all doing. I have no idea. All right. Let's get it. Where we at? 200 pips, man. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's see. Did we get it? Y'all be messing up sometimes. Cause y'all watching me. All right, we got it. Cool. So that's that, guys. We didn't smack you know, 200 over 200 pips this week. This was an easy week. This was an easy clap. I'm glad that you know, you guys were here to witness it and see, you know, the type of trading that I do, the ideas that I come up with when it comes to trading. So I appreciate every last one of you guys for coming by this channel. And analytics is going wild. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get this thing up. I know it's going to take time, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? I got all the time in the world, right? So again, see you guys tomorrow, 7 a.m. Central Time. Be here. Come get your free shmoneys with me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'll see you guys on tomorrow's stream. One love. Peace.